Are you looking to put a barcode on a product but aren't sure where to start? POS Guys is here to explain which ones you should be using and share a free barcode generation tool to get you started. If you're labeling anything for retail sale, you should plan on using code 128. These barcodes are commonly found at grocery stores and supermarkets. This code can store info on a product's weight, batch, serial number, and more. UPC is another popular format for retail that you'll probably hear about, but it can't store the same information code 128 can because it's restricted to 8 to 12 digits per code. When using these barcodes to label products in a personally run store, you can put whatever you want on the barcodes. But if you want to sell your product in major retailers, you'll need to take an extra step and buy a unique company and product code from an organization called the GS1. The GS1 prevents products from having the same code. Imagine how much trouble duplicates could cause if you're trying to assign pricing to 3,000 different items. If you're in the shipping and logistics industry, Interleaved 2 of 5, or ITF for short, is another popular type of code. Like 128, it can include the unique product code issued by GS1, but it is easier to print and scan on rough surfaces like cardboard. Do you need to store a lot of information? Then consider using a QR code. They're popular for website links, digital coupons, and contactless ticketing. Just make sure your POS or inventory software will support it first. Ready to start making barcodes? POS Guys has a free generator on our website you can visit by scanning the QR code on the screen now. We also sell professional label printing software for more advanced needs. Need help actually printing codes? We can help with that too. Still not sure where to start? Want to learn more and take the next step? Call us at 1-800-903-6571 or send an email at sales@POSGuys.com.